Alright guys, I decided to come out to the lake today to kind of talk to you guys about a dream that I've had, an idea that I've had for a long time. I've had this YouTube channel for close to 10 years. I think I've got a couple of videos on here from when I used to try to post my old truck for sale and just stuff when I was a kid, really. And I think that we've made the decision to start a little adventure. I think what we're going to do is spend the next 12 months trying to become a YouTuber. I don't think it's going to be very easy. Lord knows I can't afford to quit my job, but I did. And this is our journey. So I wanted to bring the old boat out, come out on the water, and let you guys kind of know what the game plan is. I'd like to travel the southeast US and meet some cool people, see some cool things, and just document our journey as it happens. I plan on going down to see Kevin at KSR Performance and Fabrication in Gainesville. Who knows, maybe he can get me on to see meet Cletus McFarlane, or go to the Freedom Factory, or maybe meet Mike Finnegan and check out his jet boats and all his cool cars. Maybe we can meet people that you or I would never have the opportunity to meet in real life. I'm 35, I'm a welder by trade, I'm just a regular guy. But I want to spend the next 12 months and see some things, meet some people, and document my journey. So, I need a couple of things from you guys, the viewers. I need you to like this video, and I need you to subscribe. It costs you nothing, and it's just one click of the thumb. None of this is possible without you guys. So, if you're sitting here with me on your smartphone or your laptop or whatever device you have, and you're watching this video, just hit the like button, give me your support, and hit the subscribe button to catch weekly videos, or maybe a few videos a week. I'm going to reach out to Kevin at KSR Performance and Fabrication and see if he will give us a shop tour, maybe a little meet and greet, and hopefully that'll be our first video. It's a pretty tall order. He's a very busy man, and who knows? Will he even take the time to meet with a regular Joe Blow like me? Who knows? But nothing ventured, nothing gained. So again, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and follow me on this journey. Thank you.